Show me how you dance for Christmas Day. Hey, 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 hey. Now we have to have a little bit of fun, innit? Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you. Hello my millionaires, welcome back to ZMilian Nairz TV. It's Christmas Day. I will not be cooking any Christmas dinner today. So today I'll be making pumpkin punch. Pumpkin punch. As requested by a subscriber, the beautiful Lacey Kimora. Merry Christmas, Lacey. You asked for pumpkin punch. And today, on Christmas Day, I will be making you the pumpkin punch. First, let's go through the ingredients that I'll be using today in this pumpkin punch. I've got a piece of pumpkin, which I will be peeling, diced, and washed and put it to cook first. I've got supplicant, a small peanut punch, and some guineas. I've got sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and I'll be putting a dash of the Jamaican overproof white rum, and also I've got nutmeg. So these are the ingredients for the pumpkin punch. I will be back once I've peeled the pumpkin, diced it, and ready to cook it. Yeah. The pumpkin is now diced, washed, and put in a pot on the cooker for it to be cooked. The pumpkin is now cooking, and I've added a piece of a cinnamon bark to the pumpkin to let it boil in it to give it that nice flavor. You can also use cinnamon powder, which is grounded cinnamon, if you have it. You do not have to use the bark. Pumpkin normally does not take long to cook. I've been cooking it now for approximately 6 minutes, and it's already falling to pieces. It just depends on how small you cut your pumpkin, and so I've cut mine very small, so it will cook quite quickly. But what I'll do is I'll cook it for another 4 minutes, like 10 minutes in total, to make sure that it's cooked through properly, and so I get a very smooth punch once it's blended. Guys, if you're new here, you are so welcome to stay with us. Please hit that subscribe button, and then you press that bell and press all, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. For my ZMilian Nairz family who have been here from day one, thank you so much for the love and the support, guys, and we're going into 2021 with a boom bang. As As you can see, the pumpkin is now cooled down, and I've now transferred it to the blender. So now I'll be adding my ingredients. I've also removed the bark from the pumpkin. So first I'm going to add my supplicant. A small tin of supplicant. That's in. You can add your ingredients whichever way you want to add it. There's no special way of adding your ingredients. I've got a teaspoon here of grated nutmeg. I'll be adding a tablespoon of vanilla, or just say a cork of vanilla. Just 1 cork of vanilla. So now I'll be adding the peanut punch. Guys, you can add whatever you like in your pumpkin punch. You know, I normally add a peanut punch sometimes, and sometimes I do add like an eggnog. And I'm gonna add a bit of Guinness. I do not have the right Guinness that I want today. Have this one, so I'm gonna add a bit of it. If you drink alcohol and you would like, you know, a little kick to it, then you can add some alcohol. So you do not have to add Guinness or the white rum. So I'm putting some sweetened condensed milk, and you sweeten to your taste. Depends on your taste. I'm doing it to my taste. I'm just adding a half tin of condensed milk. Nutmeg smell is awesome. I'm gonna add just a dash of white rum. Yeah, just for a little kick. For those people, you can add whatever amount you want in it. So I just add what I want. And here we go, Lacey. And then we're ready to blend. I do it in stages. It's been blended. I'm just going to remove my top and let you have a look. So now I'm showing you what it looks like after it's been blended. It's very smooth. And it's smelling very good. You can smell the nutmeg, the rum, the vanilla, the cinnamon all coming through. Now that it's all blended, I'll be pouring myself a glass and I'll show you what it looks like. Very delicious. So once this is done, you put it in your fridge for it to get chilled. But I'll be having a glass now. This is divine, divine. Please be reminded, you do not have to use Guinness. You can use Dragon instead if you've got Dragon, and you do not have to use peanut punch. You can use an eggnog, or instead of any alcohol, you can use Malta and sweeten to taste with your spices just the same. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to the end. I hope you've really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and also like me to cook you something, please go ahead and leave me a message in the comment section. The next video on this channel will be my birthday cake. My birthday is on the 27th of December, and I'll be making myself an eggnog cake this year. Thank you. Bye-bye.